start this video by saying please excuse the mess behind me. It's a lot. I need to deal with it, and I will deal with it after I start the process of Christmasifying my apartment. A lot of the stuff that I have to put out I actually had last year, but I did get some new things, so I thought I'd start off this decorate with me video with like a mini holiday decor haul. The first thing I have here is this beautiful tree from HomeSense. I'm gonna put this in my bedroom, and I love it because it has like this fake snow, this burlap situation. Mwah! I don't really have too much Christmas decor in my room, so I think this will be like a nice mini touch. It also just feels like winter. I don't know why I'm hugging it now. We're gonna put it down. Michael's also had a really impressive sale going on where you bought one thing and got another thing free on a lot of holiday decor. I think they're justifiable, but I don't know. When there's a sale, it's hard to say no. As part of the sale, I ended up getting not one, but 2 wreaths for the price of one, and this is the one that I picked out. It's got these cranberries and a little pine cone situation. Lovely. It's gonna go on my front door over there and also my balcony door. I didn't really do anything too crazy in the kitchen last year, so I figured this is like gonna be something that carries the Christmasness over to the whole apartment. Of course, had to get 2 wreath hangers for the wreaths, and they were also buy one get one. I bought 2 bags of pine cones, and what I'm going to use them for is to put them in like a jar like this and make some sort of display for my kitchen island. Again, last year I didn't really do anything. Thought this would be a really easy little DIY situation. I don't know where I got the glass jar. To be honest, I stole it from my mom. And I might go to Dollarama and just get some cranberries to add to the bowl and maybe some leaves. I don't know. Feels like a very Pinteresty thing to do. These were also from Michael's and were probably the most unnecessary purchase. They're little gingerbread Christmas trees. Like, oh, so adorable. And I'm gonna put these in the kitchen near the well, last year I did a hot chocolate station. So I think this is gonna go around that area because they're gingerbread. So like, it just works. Yeah, I love them. From H&M, I got this pillow cover. How gorgeous, right? It's a beautiful green color. This one's gonna go in my bedroom because I just think if I change one of my pillows to this, it'll instantly make all the pillows look a little bit more festive. I already have pillow covers for the whole living room, so I didn't really need to get any more, but I've said it before and I'll say it again, H&M Home is such a great place to get pillow covers because you can get some really inexpensive ones. And then if you just get pillow covers, it's a really easy way to revamp your pillows without having to buy a full pillow. And then when I'm done with them, I just fold them and, you know, store them away and it's not a big deal. And from Dollarama, I got these snowflakes that go on windows. So I already put up a few of them on the window that connects to Andrea's bedroom, but I'm gonna put them all on this big window that's illuminating me right now, and also the door that leads off to the balcony because it's like a big glass window. And then the actual tree decorating, my tree is up right now. Like, let me actually give you it's up because I was filming a video that I needed it in the background. Oops. Are you gonna stay? You're balancing on an IKEA fake plant right now, so that's a little risky, but yeah, I'm gonna leave the tree decorating for when Andrea is here because she wants to contribute a little bit, but all the other stuff I think I'm gonna try and get up probably right now just because I need it in a place and not scattered around my apartment. Should be fine. I'm gonna crank up the holiday tunes. This wreath right here is on my bedroom door right now. It's supposed to go over here, but this guy does not want to fit on that door. Can't really see the one on the back door because it's backlit, but this looks really cute. I'm happy. I picked up this Mrs. Meyer's hand soap the other day just because it's sort of red. So I thought, hey, festive. Look at that. Just screams Christmas. These stickers are very extra and I love it. Got these at Michael's too. They were like 25–30% off. And I like to have a string of lights that go across this nail and that nail. But my old one burnt out on me. So we're replacing them with these. I mean, you can buy these at any time of the year, but I just feel like the only time you can really get them in stores is during Christmas. So that's when I usually like to stock up on them. Oh, these look really tiny. Uh-oh. No, that's That's right. Ooh. I feel like that scene in You've Got Mail when they're putting up the twinkly lights in the store. If anybody knows what I'm talking about, you're my favorite person ever. We are all lit, hell yeah. Ooh, I feel like this is like a cool Instagram picture. Lights. These need to go up. Oh my God, this looks so nice. This strand was like gone for the longest time. It will not focus, my goodness. So good, and I hooked up the tree to the other end of this light, so now it's just a simple on and off and everything turns on and off. I like the ease of it.
I'm sick and tired of this cold weather. You gotta warm my heart. Drive the night just to be together, no matter where you are. The feeling's getting stronger and stronger, and I can't.
Oh no.
The feeling's getting stronger and stronger, and I can't wait much longer.
So this is my little arrangement. I like it, but I think it does need some like berries or something just to fill in these gaps in the jar. And I had some leftover pine cones, so I just put some at the bottom here as if it was spilling out. I had a few more pine cones, so I just added some right here and right here. Not bad, but yeah, it needs something more.
I'll be back around 6:30, then you'll be by my side. I'll be counting down every...
I don't know what I put on my couch, but there are sparkles everywhere, and I'm trying desperately to get them off with the lint roller, and it's not working. I mean, I guess it's festive, but I just feel like now my clothes are gonna be all sparkly. Get off, please. I think I've had this for almost 2 months, maybe a month and a half. This is Sweet Sheets by Sage. So because these pillows have been in storage, I thought I'd give all the pillows just a nice fabric spray. It smells really nice and it just refreshes them. And I'm gonna spray the couch too, because why not?
Won't be long, I'll be there tonight. Everything's gonna be alright.
Drea is back home. It's a few nights later and we are about to pop on a little Christmas film and decorate this tree. So I've got all the ornaments in here. These are all the ornaments I packed up from last year. I need to actually get some sort of plastic bin situation to organize these properly. I've got some beads and some, what are, ribbon? Ribbon, that's what it's called. That needs to go up there. And we have also got this very special ornament. What year is it from? 2007. It's literally over 10 years.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. That's crazy. We need to have a special spot for that little guy. Guess it's time to get started.
Yeah.
Taylor, Stacy DeNovo. I'm sure Paul mentioned me. Actually, no, he didn't. Was he supposed to?
Oh my God. So cute.
Babe,
I forgot how great all of them are.
Not gonna nestle in between the
In the branches?
Yeah.
Okay. So this one, then that one, and then this one? Let's get to going.
Yeah, untangle it, and then I can go around the tree.
Okay, let's just got the ribbons and the beads all up. What movie is this, Sandy?
The Princess Switch.
The Princess Switch. It's very corny, but so far,
Okay, now there is
intriguing. Aww, it's so cute. Here is the tree.
Very nice for the horses.
Wow. Last year, I think I got this tree skirt from the dollar store and it's way too small for the tree. So, also from the dollar store, got some gift bags. And now, look at that. Doesn't look like it's too small anymore. Well, sort of, but like it fixes it. day, and I have gone to Dollarama, got some things, picked up something from Bulk Barn. Gonna finish up the decorating process right now. So I got these pine needles, is that what they're called? Decorative stems, according to Dollarama, and some cherries to put in this bowl with the porcupines. What are they called again? Pine cones. So let's try this out. Will this turn out? I mean, I don't know, but we shall see. Okay, what's happening here?
Make me wish my baby was here with me, saying, ooh, Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, Merry Christmas, baby. The stores are filled with shoppers' glee, and no friends come by that I haven't seen. But my heart still.
I think that looks a lot better than it did before. I put some of the leftover pine needles and cranberries on the base here to kind of make it more centerpiece-ish. I think it's a little bit more exciting than just the pine cones on their own, so thank you, Dollar Store. From the Dollar Store, I also got this placemat that I put in the hot chocolate coffee station. And this is a mug I got, I think, 2 years ago. Inside Santa, I'm gonna put these candy canes. Got them from Bulk Barn, and they're organic candy canes. So there's only 10 in here, but that's plenty. Here they are, and there we go.
And every kid is dreaming of what's under the tree. And on Christmas,
I think I want to get a little jar of marshmallows as well, just to finish it off. But for now, that's really good. And I also have a David's tea calendar beside their Advent tea calendar. I'm gonna update you on what I'm doing right now, and I'm gonna warn you, it's a little extra, a lot extra. Unfortunately, I was born with this gene where I feel like I need to really go all out for things. I'm hanging snowflakes on the ceiling over top of the centerpiece to give the kitchen island some winter vibes, but I did not cut these out myself. I actually bought 2 kits, 2 hanging swirl decoration kits from Dollarama, and as you can see, they aren't on strings, they're on these swirly things, and I don't like the swirly things, I just want them on a string. So I removed the snowflakes from the swirly things. I am taking sewing thread and adding a thread to each one of the snowflakes and then hanging them. Excuse me? Ooh. Okay. Oh my God, it's so pretty. That this looks adorable. I think it frames the kitchen island really nicely, gives it some Christmassy vibes without taking away too much from the functionality of the counter. Although I will say, like, I'm a bit concerned, this whole situation concerns me for the day that I have kids. Because this is me without kids. Decorating above the kitchen island. I really loved how the apartment turned out this year. If you enjoyed watching, following along with me on this decorating adventure, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you haven't already. I'm heading into final season, and I actually should have been starting a paper, not hanging snowflakes today. But I'm gonna go do that now. But if you wanna see more student stuff, Christmassy stuff, I will be trying to get some of that out within the next few weeks. Let me know if you have any requests, and I will see you all very soon with a new video. Until then, ho ho ho, I gotta go. We're stopping now.